I welcome you all again to German Pro. Happy learning at home. Today we are going to discuss Inoffizielle Zeit, means unofficial time in German. The official one are very easy, so we'll be going to do official one after we'll understand this unofficial. Okay, firstly we'll see what we call the clock. The clock is called die Uhr and the plural form is die Uhren. Die Uhr and die Uhren. Now, what is the time? The time called die Zeit und die Zeiten. The time and the times. The plural form is die Zeiten. Okay, if you want to ask what is the time in German, so you will say wie spät ist es or wie viel Uhr ist es. You can ask either of them. Okay, this is the clock. You have to first understand this and then you will know that how to say time in German. So after 12 till 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we say the whole area called Nach, the green one called Nach. And before 12 till 7, the whole area called 4. V is always pronounced as F, that's why it's 4. 4 exactly meaning is before. So before 12 we called it 4 and after 12 we called it Nach. Nach means after. Now we are left with the gap between 7 to 6 and the gap between 5 to 6. So the gap between 5 to 6 we called it 4. Now you're wondering that we have just learned after 12 we call the area Nach, but this is the only exception we have. In the gap between 5 to 6 we called it 4. In the Nach area, 5 minutes is donated to 4. And in the 4 area, the 5 minutes, that is the gap between 7 to 6 is donated to Nach. And 9 and 3, the straight line you are seeing here is called Viertel. So you can learn it like that. 9 and 3 has named by Viertel. Viertel. And 6 is called, in the gap between 7 to 6 is called Nach and the gap between 5 to 6 called 4. And what we call 6 is called Halb. Halb exact meaning is half. Why halb? Because this is the only number which divides the clock in two parts. That's why we called it Halb. You'll understand better when we see the timings. Okay. So it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is called Es ist 8 Uhr. Es ist means it is 8 o'clock. If someone asks you wie spät ist es, you will say es ist 8 Uhr oder es ist 2 Uhr, 3 Uhr. Now, the area after 12 till 5 we call it Nach. So remember this, we called Nach. So you will say es ist 5 Minuten nach 8 Uhr. 5 minutes past to 8 o'clock. Es ist 5 Minuten. Minuten is optional. For 5 Minuten nach 8 Uhr. Why Nach? Because this is the area of Nach. And why 5 minutes? Because it's 5 minutes past. And what you call for 10 minutes? 8:10 is called Es ist 10 Minuten nach 8 Uhr. 10, or you can say Es ist 10 nach 8 Uhr. Minuten is optional. And 3 is called 8:15. I told you that 9 and 3 called named as Viertel. So you will say es ist Viertel nach 8 Uhr. So firstly the number, we say the number or the gap between the clocks, that is for the 5 it is 5 minutes, for 10 it's 10 minutes and 3 is called Viertel. So you will say Viertel nach 8 Uhr. Viertel nach 8 Uhr. Next 8:20 is called Es ist 20 Minuten nach 8 Uhr. Why 20? Because 20 minutes past to 8 o'clock. Es ist 20 Minuten nach 8 Uhr. And what we call 8:25. This is the only exception we have. We called it Es ist 5:04. I told you this area, in the area of Nach, this is the only gap we called it 4. So Es ist 5:04. Why halb? Because 6 is the only one which divides the clock into half. Es ist 5:04 halb 9 Uhr. Es ist 5:04 halb 9 Uhr. Why 9? Because after 8:30 it becomes 9. So we donate it to the 9. Es ist 5:04 halb 9 Uhr. Next one 8:30. I told you that 6 is called halb. So you will say es ist halb 9 Uhr. means it's half an hour to become 9. Es ist halb 9 Uhr. Now 8:35, that is in the area of 4. So the gap between 7 to 6 is donated to nach. So we'll say es ist 5 nach halb 9 Uhr. Why halb? Why we are adding halb between the gap of 7 to 6 and 5 to 6? Because this is the origin of both of them. So that's why we are always adding the 6 as in halb when we are saying the time for 25 and for 35. Es ist 5 nach halb 9 Uhr. Now 8:40 is called es ist 20 vor 9 Uhr. Es ist 20 vor 9 Uhr. So I told you the exact meaning of 4 is before. So it's 20 minutes left to become 9. The line says this. So 9 and 3 as named by Viertel. So we'll say es ist Viertel vor 9 Uhr. The name of the number, that is Viertel, and then in which area the needle are, we say that is 4, and then what will become after this, 9 will become. So es ist Viertel vor 9 Uhr. It's 15 minutes left to become 9. 8:50 called es ist 10 Minuten vor 9 Uhr, or es ist 10 vor 9 Uhr. It's 10 minutes to become 9. Es ist 5 Minuten vor 9 Uhr, or es ist 5 vor 9 Uhr. It's 5 minutes to become 9. And now if the time is like this, how will you say that? It's 8:57. So we have special terms for this. We called it either Kurs or fast and gleich. Es ist Kurs for 9 Uhr. This is the different case for Kurs, and for fast and gleich we can use it as it is. Es ist fast gleich 9 Uhr means it's quickly become 9. It's quickly become 9 o'clock. And for Kurs we say it's a shorter time to become 9. For Kurs the exact meaning is it's shorter time to become 9. So there is no exact time called. We just say it's a shorter time to become 9. And for fast and gleich it means it quickly becomes 9. So you can use either of them. Es ist Kurs vor 9 Uhr or es ist fast gleich 9 Uhr. Now it's become 9 o'clock. How do you say that? Es ist 9 Uhr. Simple. And if it's 9:1, 9:2 or 9:3, how do you say that? So we called it es ist Kurs nach 9 Uhr. We don't have any word here for gleich and fast. We say it like that only. Es ist Kurs nach 9 Uhr because this is the area of nach. Hope you understand. If you have any question you can ask me. Thank you so much for watching German Pro. Happy learning at home. You can fill the form in the description box. Thank you so much.